Hey everyone, have you seen the viral cinnamon roll hack? Well, I'm going to share with you how I veganized this using Trader Joe's ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, you're going to need one package of the organic jumbo cinnamon rolls from Trader Joe's, 1/2 of a cup of the vegan heavy whipping cream alternative, 1/2 of a cup of the organic plant-based buttery spread, 1/2 of a cup of organic brown sugar, 2 teaspoons organic vanilla, and a few shakes of salt. I've already gone ahead and preheated my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You're going to need one 8 by 8 inch baking dish, a cup measure, a spoon, and some aluminum foil. First, we're going to melt our butter in the preheating oven. You can also use a microwave oven as well. While your butter's melting, we're going to open up our cinnamon rolls. Woo! Then you're just going to break them apart and place them around your baking dish. I like to do one in each corner and then one in the center. Once your butter is melted, then you're going to add brown sugar, the vegan whipping cream alternative, to this cup, as well as some salt and vanilla. And then just a few shakes of salt, which makes this a nice sweet and salty dessert. And just give it a good stir to mix it around. And then go ahead and pour that all over the top of your cinnamon rolls. Then we're going to cover them in foil. And then place in the oven and bake at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. Then we'll remove the foil and then bake them for another 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's remove the foil and bake it for another 15 minutes. Yum, look at that. It looks so good. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to take these out of the oven. They're nice and browned on top, and we're going to put the icing on top, and then they're ready to serve. Yum. Ooh, hot.